Our farm is about 50 acres, and on that we have about 20 acres of vegetable ground, and in any given year we're growing actually about 12 acres of vegetables. We have a CSA and a farmer's market, and so we grow a wide variety of vegetables to serve our customers. One of our biggest challenge has been weed control and actually mechanizing weed control, and so we made a decision to really start investing in mechanized weed control equipment. So we bought an Allis-Chalmers G, and along with that bought a Tilmor basket weeder, which has been a real game changer for us. We also got a Tine weeder, a 3-point hitch Tine weeder, which has also been a really great tool. I think Tilmor is going to change the small grower space simply by trying to focus on the small grower. And I think they're really sort of moving into this space that there really aren't that many other implements that can be belly mounted on a cultivating tractor, or implements now that can go behind a Planet Junior or another walk behind tractor. And for me, I know a lot of other farmers are really interested in sort of building their own equipment and tinkering, and that's not me. I am not interested in taking the time to put together a cultivating implement. So Tilmor is basically allowing me to farm, to be in the fields, and not have to be an inventor.